Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. What about you, brother?
I am also good, sir. Thank you for asking me. Sir, we are meeting first time, so introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, definitely. Why not? Means my name is Mukesh Kumar and I belong to Bihar. If I talk about my education, I have done 10 plus 2. And if I talk about my job, then I'm a soldier of Indian Army. It's been 9 years to doing this job. And that's all about me. And at this time, nowadays, I'm on leave.
You are Indian Army, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
First of all, I salute you, sir.
Thank you very much, brother. Okay, now can you introduce yourself, brother? Because we are waiting first time, so at least I should know about you as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mohan Kumar. I am also from Bihar, at Raja districts. I
Mhm.
I I completed. Sir, someone is calling me. 1 minute. 1 second, sir. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Can continue.
Someone is calling me. Wait. Yeah.
It's very difficult to like means talk with people. At least you should have means one a specific number so that you can connect with someone else.
Yes, sir. No, I am. Am I visual, sir? Someone is calling me
The
for conversation video. That's why.
call must be like means no urgent. Hello. That's why
Hello.
I think you should start from the beginning.
What, sir? Okay, okay. I said, sir. I said him.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Sir, continue. Uh,
Okay, you are outside at this time. You are outside with me. I think you are on ground. Means you are outside. The way you are talking to me, I think you want to become just like Jadu because he always talk like this.
thank you, sir. Thank you. Comparison.
How do you how do you manage it like this? While walking, you talk with people. Can't you feel that means it's difficult to talk with people like while walking and going here and there?
This time I am canal. I am on the canal, sir. This is canal.
Okay, this is your place. So always you make video, near to your channel.
Yeah, this is canal. Because, sir, there are many members in my village. Yeah.
Okay,
That,
so they can't let you make video proper. They will make some noise. So that's why you go always outside.
yeah, outside behind him, many people say I don't speak English. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Okay, means you find your place. At least you have find your place to make video.
What, sir? I found
Sorry.
today. Yesterday, tomorrow,
What?
tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow
What?
I will find one place.
Okay, okay. Means okay, brother. Now tell me what's going on means in your life. Means what about your channel? It's going well.
No, sir, I am not active this time because my exam is running. Uh, today, today my exam part two at 2 p.m.
Okay, so you will
Yes,
have to go tomorrow. Sorry, today.
yeah, today. I go
Okay.
at
Mm.
12 p.m. 12 to 1 p.m.
Okay. Mhm. And at this time, I'm on village time. No? Means I'm in village, so that's why I'm getting time. I have told you, Miss earlier. So, means I was in lodge house, so that's why I was not getting proper time. But at this time, I don't have any kinds of work. Okay.
Yes, okay.
I had given me my
Sir, how many distance your reporting time and on duty and your village, your room? How many distance?
Means distance you are talking about my workplace and my means room.
Yeah, yeah.
Only only 1 kilometer over the. So it was the
Okay,
distance, the only 1 kilometer distance.
okay. Uh,
Not
where
far from like this, no.
do you
Mm-hmm.
duty?
Sorry, I do my duty in Indore.
Indore.
Yes, I'm posted over there. So it's been 2 years and 6 months. I have completed. I think still I will do. I will still do at least 6 months. I will be there for 6 months. Then I will be given posting. Then I will go from there.
Okay.
So, okay, brother. As you are learning this language, so please, could you tell me, Miss, how do you learn this language? Because if I talk about myself, then whatever I learn through this mobile. I am not going to take any offline and online classes. What's your point of view about this learning language? And because you are a YouTuber, that is you must know, and you must tell like me.
I am also learner. I am unable to speak all sentence in English. I am unable, but I
Right.
will try. I will try, sir.
Okay. Miss, could you tell me how do you practice? Because if you're a YouTuber, you must be thinking about your learning way. So how do you practice? Just I want to know because if I talk about myself, then I do a lot of things to learn this language.
Okay, sir. According to me, I tell you, uh, any language, if you want to any person learn, so practice is very important. Conversation video and any practice and basic grammar
Mhm.
rules. Yeah, basic grammar rules, some vocab, some verb. Because there is no environment. That's why verbs and vocab, daily usage vocab and basic grammar rules very important role any language for learning. Yeah, any language because
Mhm.
that's why basic grammars concept and मैं जाता हूँ I go, या मैं जा रहा हूँ I am going, yeah, basic
Okay. At
grammar.
least first thing we should learn like tenses. First complete your tenses, then you go, to learn another thing.
Yes,
First,
yes.
we should learn tenses,
Basic
and
gra-
next one like this modal verb and passive. If you know two things means passive and tenses and modal, so you can communicate with anyone, you know, and you can learn also means
yes,
something. At least you should complete your tenses and passive voice modal verb. If I talk about positive and means conditional, after learning this, then you can go with them.
according to me, sir, basic grammars in basic grammar, uh,
Mhm.
tense and be verb is MR was where has have had and can should may might must need should have must have. Yeah, there are many topics. Yeah, simple sentences. Yeah, make first of all make.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
after that
Because
try to speaking without a basic concept is unable to speak anyone. Yeah, because they
yes.
and no listening. That's why.
Yes, we should know the basic thing. If you know the basic thing, then definitely you can talk with anyone. You know,
Yes,
don't go and means harder and harder. First, you think about your basic language, then you can talk with anyone.
yes. I also know basic grammar rules, but it's my problem. I think Hindi. After that, I speak Hindi to English. That's why I have confused which sentence, which type of sentence I should speak. I have confused because uh, I I I don't haven't practice practiced it. I don't. I have the. I haven't learn practiced each other. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
unable to
One thing,
thinking.
brother, means you don't have when you make some partner, no, you can talk with them. But if here you are going to make video, then you will only talk with people only 20 minutes. You
Yeah,
should
yeah,
take at least half an hour and 1 hour without
yeah.
opening your mouth. Please speak. So at least you make some friends and talk with them daily, evening time, morning time, whenever you get time. Okay. But
yes,
if you are talking to me only, I think you are going to talk with me 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will end up that like miss conversation. Then how can you learn? Your focus is only means at this time. You have to complete your 20 minutes. Just I'm telling you. Don't get me wrong. Okay. You are not
yes,
focusing on means you have to learn. Okay. So we should you should do one thing now. Make at least one and two friends. Talk with them daily. Okay. 20
okay,
minutes, half an hour. I do this thing. I have made at least I think 4 and 5 friends. I always talk with them whenever I get time. I always try to talk with them. In this way, I'm improving my English.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You speak very well, sir. I know. I see you.
No, I'm not like no, I'm not that much of like Miss good speaker. Just I'm learning. I'm beginner. Whatever I know,
Yeah,
I'm in front of you. You can see, you can judge my English. People, a lot of people, they are improved their English. I'm also just like them.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, it will happen only means we have to put lot of effort into this language. If you
Yes, sir.
decide to learn this language, then definitely you can do it. Because in this era, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. But
Yes,
at
sir.
least we
Yes.
should have determination. If you have a determination and passion, so you can do it. No?
Yeah. This
Okay.
time is possible. Yes, sir. You are right.
Mhm. You can see over here. I'm able to see you. You are able to see me. Who had created this like this environment? We are going to talk with each other in video call. You know,
Yes.
someone has made this type of equipment. That's why we are able to see to each other in a video call. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in this way, brother, you can learn. You can choose your own goal. Means you have to do one thing. Definitely, you can do it. In my life, I have done a lot of things. When I means what I do, whenever I do, I only do one thing. I only choose one thing. I have to do this thing. At this time, I'm learning this language. I have decided that I have to learn this language at any cost. I won't listen to anyone. I will do. I will put my lot of effort to learning this language.
Yeah. Yeah. Until
Always
I
this.
die, I will try. I will learn English because
Yes.
English is very important. to Every student, every person. This time English is very important. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, you are right, Miss. In this era, I think English is very important. Now you can go and see the schools. People they are opening their school only English medium school. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Whenever, let me give you some example. Whenever I go to attend PTM, PTM my parents meeting, if I talk about the teachers, sometimes they start speaking with me in the English language. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I am I am in front of them. I don't know how to speak English, but they like pretend that means they know a lot of things about English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I think we should take advantage of this mobile and we can learn this language easily.
Sir, you are married or unmarried?
No, brother, I'm married person.
You are married. So, do you have any kids, any child?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have, kid, brother.
Uh, so, which type of school you like uh, teach your child, your kids? School medium,
Brother,
English and Hindi medium.
no, my like means my kids they are studying in English medium school. And now at this time, means have you seen any kinds of like means in Hindi medium school in our Bihar? If
Yes,
they are
yes, yes.
going to open like new school, no, they are going to open means English medium school, not like a Hindi medium.
Yeah,
You
yeah, yeah.
can't see that like medium school because then
Everyone
he
educated
will come.
people, yeah, want to everyone students, our child, everyone teach English medium school because this time
Mhm.
English is important. Yeah, that's
It's
why.
very important.
Yeah.
Okay, let me example. Suppose you don't know anything. You are jobless. You are sitting idle at your home. No, you don't do anything, and you know only one thing: how to speak English. Suppose as a language, you know how to speak English, but you don't know anything. And if I talk about hotels, let's say like 5-star hotel. Okay, and you are going to ask job. So you will be
Yes,
asked, brother, do you know in English? Because here lots of celebrity come, to live
yes,
here.
yes, yes,
You talk with them in English, and only if you know English, so they will hire you, and
yeah,
you
yeah,
will be
yeah,
given also good salary. You will be given because of English.
yeah.
Okay,
I had also working for 6 to 7 months in Chennai, uh, Tamil
okay.
Nadu. Yeah, I
Hmm.
have also faced a problem because I Tamil Nadu people speak Tamil and educated people speak English. That time I understand English. I can understand English, but I don't speak English.
Okay. Brother, one thing is, if I talk about Chennai, so I was there in 2000. I was there, I think, 9 years ago. I was doing my training over there in Chennai.